Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 9 Introduction to Algebra, exercise 9.3, first main. The question is given: state which of the following are equations. Which of the following are equations? So that is the question. So in that the first question is given: x minus 3 is equals to 7. Okay, so we know x minus 3 is the LHS part and 7 is the RHS part. Okay, now this is the left hand side part and this is the right hand side part. When LHS is equals to RHS means we get an equation. So that's why it is what now? It is an equation. Okay, what is the answer? LHS is equals to RHS, then it is an equation. Now see second question: L plus 5 greater than 9. L plus 5 greater than 9. So this is not a equation because of here clearly LHS is not equal to RHS. Yes, clearly LHS is greater than 9 and LHS is not equal to RHS. So if LHS is not equal to RHS, we do not get an equation. So that's why not an equation. Okay, like that only. Next, third one, p minus 4 less than 10. So clearly LHS part is not equal to RHS part. So that's why this is also not an equation. Next one, 5 plus m is equal to 6. So clearly the LHS part is equal to RHS part. So ikkada middle lo na sign enna is equal to. We read it as is equal to. So 5 plus m is equal to 6. So LHS is equals to RHS. So that's why it is an equation. Okay, next, 2s minus 2. 2s minus 2 is equal to 12. So LHS part is equal to RHS. So it is an equation. Next, 3x plus 5 is greater than 3x plus 5 greater than 13. So clearly LHS part is not equal to RHS part. So that's why it is not an equation. Okay now students, so you to do remaining problems in this main like this only. When LHS is equals to RHS, it is an equation. Okay now, then LHS is not equal to RHS. When you get like this greater than or less than signs, that is what now? Not an equation. Okay,
Right.
okay students, now second question, write LHS and RHS of the following equations. Here given equation x minus 5 is equals to 6. This is a equation, simple equation. Now I am going to write the left hand side LHS, the short abbreviated form. What nana? Left hand side ni abbreviated form intra, that is LHS. RHS means right hand side of the equation. So simple question nana, this is LHS అంటే left hand side of the equation is equal to కి left side ఉన్నది ఏంట్రా, that is x minus 5. And what is RHS? That is equals to right hand side is equal to కి right hand side ఉన్నది, that is RHS. Okay, so this is the required solution for this question. You to try the remaining problems in this model. Okay na, equation రాయండి, left hand side part LHS, right hand side part వచ్చేసి RHS రాసాను. Okay. Okay students, now exercise 9.3, third main. The question is solve the following equation by trial and error method. Okay, Okay. So this is the required equation, Nana. So what is the variable in that? Variable means we use variables English alphabet small letters. So in this equation variable is what, Nana? X. Now see, I'm using trial and error method. Okay, using trial and error method. Okay, you know trial and error method means, for example, if you visit any shopping mall, ఒక పర్టికులర్ ఒక షర్ట్ కావాలి అనుకుంటే, then what happen? Just you try to wear the shirt if it is perfectly adjust for you or not. Okay na? So if it is not adjusted, then you can go for the next one. Yes, అంటే మనం ట్రయల్ రూమ్ చూస్తాం షాప్లో. అంటే ఒక షర్ట్ కొనాలి అనుకుంటే అది మనకు ఫిక్స్ అవుతుందా లేదా అనేది ట్రయల్ వేస్తాం. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అడ్జస్ట్ అయితే షూటబుల్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ షూటబుల్ దెన్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్, అదర్వైజ్ యూ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అంటే వేరియబుల్ ద వాల్యూ విల్ బి చేంజ్. వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. అంటే యూ సీ హియర్ ద ప్రొసీజర్ ఈస్, what is the required variable here? The variable in this equation is x. Okay, what is the LHS part? The value of LHS, that is what, na left hand side part, that is x plus 3. Okay, and the value of RHS, right hand side part, what, nana, that is 5. Finally result means whether LHS and RHS are equal or not. So this is the required, these are the required columns. Now first of all I am taking in the place of x 1. Then what happens, see, I am going to substitute in the place of x 1, then 1 plus 3 is equals to what, nana? 4. But what is the RHS part? The
Not
value
equal.
of RHS is 5. 4, 5. These two are equal, nana? No. So that's why the result is not equal. LHS, RHS not equal. Next, going to the I'm going to take the x value is what, 2. Then what happened? In the place of x, I'm going to write 2. Then 2 plus 3 is equals to what, nana? That is 5. The RHS
Equal.
part of the value is 5. 5 equal. So this is the required solution where the equation satisfies, nana. The equation ekkada satisfy avutundi when x is equals to 2, then LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so this is the trial and error method. Okay na? Okay students, now the next question is 6n is equal to 30. So this is the a simple equation. Now I am going to solve its solution by using trial and error method. What is the variable, nana? Indulo unna variable enti? English alphabet small letter,
Small
that is n. So n is the variable. Okay, so write like this, variable, that is what, nana? n. What is the LHS part? Value of LHS అంటే is equal to కి left side ఉన్నది what, nana? LHS, that is what, 6n అంటే 6 into n. Okay, next, value of RHS,
30.
value of RHS, that is what, nana? RHS value is 30. Then result means whether LHS and RHS equal or not equal. Okay, so these are the required columns. Now I am taking n value is 1. Okay, now n value is what, nana? 1. If n is equals to 1, then what is the LHS? The value of LHS,
6
that
into
is
1.
6 of 1. ఇలా bracket ఉంటే off అంటే that is nothing but into 6 ones are what, nana? 6. But RHS value is what, that is 30. 6 30 equal or not equal?
Not equal.
Okay, so then n value is what, nana? I am taking 2. Okay, then 6 of, in the place of n I am going to write 2. Then 6 2s are what, nana? 12. RHS value is what, 30. 12, 30 equal or not equal? So that's why result is not equal. Next, I am taking in the place of n this time 3. So then I am going to substitute in the place of n 3. 6 of 3 is equals to 6 3s are what, 18. 6 3s are 18. So what is the value of RHS? That is 30. 18 30 equal amount? It's not equal. Then going to the next, I'm going to take the next number in the place of n, that is 4. So I'm going to substitute in the place of n 4. 6 of 4. 6 4s are what? That is 24. The value of RHS is 30. 24 30 equal or not equal? Okay. Next I'm going to take in the place of n 5. I'm going to substitute in the place of n 5. Then 6 of 5. 6 5s are what now?
30.
30. The RHS value is also 30. 30 30 equal. So the result is S. Result వచ్చేసి ఈక్వల్ వచ్చేసింది. So we can say that where the equation 6n is equals 30, where the equation satisfies, if n is equals to 5, the equation LHS becomes LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. So this is the trial and error method, children. So you to try the remaining problems in this way. Okay. Thank you.